Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and this is gonna be the first video of the mentorship after the introduction video. So in this video we are going to talk about several topics. I have written all of the topics here. What is trading, what is a stock, what is forex, what is crypto and indices, and how do traders make money. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just start the video. So guys, uh have you ever wondered how people make money from stocks, forex, crypto, or even from their phone? Like in this mentorship series, I'm going to teach you everything about absolute beginner to advanced traders. I mean, no experience needed. By the end of the series, you'll understand exactly how financial markets work. Basically, you will understand everything about stocks, forex, crypto, trading, and everything. And I'll teach you guys everything about it. So the first question is, what is trading? Okay, this is the first question. What is trading? Okay, so guys, trading is a simple buying something at one price and selling it at another price to make a profit. So imagine you buy a pair of shoes at 100 and you just sell them for 150. Let me show you some example as well. Look at here. So it's just like, imagine you buy a pair of shoes at $100 and then you sell them at $150. You made $50 profit, right? Trading in financial market works exactly the same way. Instead of buying shoes, you're buying stocks, currency, crypto, and indices. So this is where we bought, this is how we sell, that's 150 profit. But if we bought at 100 and then we sell at $50, that's the $50 loss. Just simple as that. And yeah, that is what is trading basically. Second is, what is a stock? Let's go back to the headline. What is a stock? A stock represents a small ownership in a company. For example, companies like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. Like there are a bunch of different companies, right, which are like publicly traded. Then when you buy one share of a company, you become a very small owner of that business. If you buy Apple, you will own a small percentage of Apple, or like whatever stock you buy. If the company grows and the investors believe it will make more money in the future, the stock prices usually rises. If the company performs badly, the stock prices may fall. Simple as that. So the third question is, what is forex? Okay. Forex stands for Forex Exchange Market. I guess most of you know that. It's the market where currencies are exchanged. For example, if you travel from Canada to United States, you will exchange Canadian dollar for US dollars, right? Traders do the same thing, except they're trying to profit from the currency fluctuation. Just like this, guys, actually. If we buy, we just convert our currency at $100. See, we converted to US dollar. We just got $100 USD, and the prices will fluctuate, and over the time, like let's just say you waited for 5 days and price, I mean the exchange rate was 100, now it's 150, and if you sell your 100, you will get 150 Canadian, right? That's the profit. That's how, same exactly like this is how it all works. And there are so many pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, JPY. All these pairs are actually the pairs. Like these are the pairs: Australian dollar versus United States. So that's the simple question. What is forex? Now let's just go on to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital money that exists online. So the most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. I guess everybody know that. Unlike traditional money controlled by banks and government, cryptocurrencies are operated on blockchain technology, guys. Traders buy and sell crypto hoping the price moves in their favor. It's just like this is simply like every single trader, this is what they believe. Example, you buy Bitcoin at 50,000, sell at 55,000, your profit margin is going to be 5,000. Simple as that. Third question, I'm trying to teach you guys from zero level, from the most basic level. I imagine that, I assume that you guys have no idea about market, so I'm trying to teach you from that perspective. Okay, the fourth question, I guess. Yeah, sorry, fifth question. What is an index? Right here, an index is a group of companies combined into one chart. instead of buying one company, you are looking at the performance of many companies together. For example, the Nasdaq contains many large technology companies. I mean, like there are 3 4 indices, I guess: Nasdaq, S&P 500, and one or two more. They consist of multiple companies, and when most companies in that index go up, the full index will go up. For example, if Nasdaq is like it's made of large companies, 100 large companies, then if let's just say 70% of those companies are rising or their price is rising, then Nasdaq will go up. That's how simple, I mean, in the simple language, this is how I can explain. So the sixth last question is, how do traders make money? Okay, this is the most sexy question actually. Well, there are only two ways trader can make money. First, you buy and then sell, which means you buy at 100, sell at 150, $50 profit. Second is you sell first and then buy back later. Guys, yes, you can reverse this as well. You can sell something without having it. You don't even need to have it. You just sell something and then buy it. Just like I'll show you. This is the simple way. You buy here, sell here, it'll go up, but you can reverse it as well. You sell at 100, and if the market goes down, you can buy it here. Then you buy at 50, but you sold at 100, so your profit is $50. Just so this is the simple explanation. And okay, then now that you understand what trading, stock, forex, and crypto and indices are, in the next lesson we're going to learn how to read charts. Like I'll teach you guys how to read these like chart patterns, and let me show you. Yeah, basically, I'll teach you guys in the next video how to read charts and understand exactly what you are looking when you open TradingView for the first time. Okay, so what you guys can do home today is open a TradingView, then search NAS 100. You will find this one. Then you can search Euro USD, Bitcoin, and observe the charts for 5 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Basically, this is the simple explanation of all of these basic questions. I hope you guys understand. I'll teach you guys from zero to hero. This mentorship, in this mentorship, I'll teach you guys everything, but it's gonna be within like 40 to 50 videos. So you guys have to watch all of the videos in order to learn everything. You can learn it in 5 minutes. Subscribe to the channel. Wait for the next video. I'll drop it very soon. All right, guys. See you in the next video.